Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on linking your Fitbit account to your Strava account. Doing this will allow you to analyze your runs recorded by your Fitbit on your Strava account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. There are a few ways of doing this, but the easiest way I think is to just open up a web browser and go to strava.fitbit.com. Tap the Connect button. You will be redirected to the Strava login page. Enter your Strava info and then tap Login. On this page, you need to give Fitbit permission to access your Strava information. Tap Authorize if you agree. After that, you'll be redirected to the Fitbit login page. Enter your Fitbit account info and then tap Login. This time, you need to give Strava access to your Fitbit information. Tap Allow if you agree. Your Fitbit account and Strava account have now been linked. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Fitbit tips and tricks.